In this video, I will show you how to request assets on Bitvavo. And if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to not pay any fees over your first 10K in trading. So you can save a lot of money on this, so feel free to check the link in the description. Anyway, let's dive into the video. So in order to request assets on Bitvavo, we're going to click on the profile section at the top right. And from here, we're going to scroll down, and under feedback, we see request an asset. Click on this. And right now you can search for certain assets that are not available on Bitvavo. So when you want a certain asset to be added, let's say Tether USDT, this is a really popular one, then you're going to click on request, and then this will be requested. And you will be notified when this asset is listed. So you can do it with requests that are not available, as I already said. And this way you can give Bitvavo some nice feedback. And when there are enough requests, then they will possibly add it to the Bitvavo asset list. So that is how you request assets on Bitvavo. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.